Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video, we'll see how to successfully downgrade from the Android 10 Beta 4 version with the version 432 to the Android Pie version 059 or 060. Although this particular method is applicable to all the Android 10 Beta version, be it Beta 1, 407, Beta 2, 424, Beta 3, 429, and so. But before I'll be moving to the downgrade process, let me confirm you that at present my phone is on the very latest version, that is 432, with the security patch level of 5 August 2020 and with the Android 10 stock ROM. So now let's move to the downgrading process. For that you have to download one file and keep in your external storage. So let's begin with that. So I've already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. So nothing major has been mentioned here, few minor things like how to download and whatsoever. So basically this is a full update, so which comprise of nearly about 1.52 GB approximately, which will downgrade your phone to either version 059 or 060, which is Android Pie, from Android 10 Beta 4 version 432, or either 407, 424 or 429. Now let's move to the downgrading method. Again, before doing or downloading this, please do take backup of everything, because everything will be deleted during this particular downgrade process from your internal storage. So this is official, these are the links from the official ASUS server side. The first link is that if you want to downgrade to 059, then you can tap it here. If you want to downgrade to 060, then you can tap it here and download it. And a part of this is a ASUS support article where you can see how to downgrade it, but we will be covering each and every bit in this particular video. And aside to this, these are our social handles. To cut down the time, I have already downloaded the files and kept in my external storage. So these are the downgrade file. One is 059 and another is 060. So now we are good to go with the downgrading process. So for that you have to reboot your phone, or I would say restart your phone, and keep on pressing volume down button until and unless you move to the stock recovery mode, and in that particular section we'll be moving to the downgrading process. So finally we have been booted to the stock recovery mode. So like I have told you that you have to keep that downloaded file in your external storage, so that's why I'm selecting third option from the bottom, that is apply update from external storage. Now I'll be pressing on power button, and afterward I have to traverse to the folder where I have downloaded that particular file. So let me go to that. So like I was showing you in the Android file manager, that this is a 59 and 69. So in this video I'm going to do 59. The same process for 060 applicable. Just select that particular file. So after selecting and pressing power button, the whole process has been started. So now it will take nearly about 5 to 7 minutes, and in some cases 7 to 10 minutes. So just a precautionary note, do not play with your power button until unless the whole process will be completed. And this is a step 1, and afterward we'll move to the step 2, and you will be able to know that why we have to take the backup of all the data. So let's wait till the time it completes. So finally the downgrading process, or I would say step 1 of downgrading process, has been completed. Now let's reboot the system, and I'll show you that why we will be needing step 2 and why we have to take the backup of the data as well. So just wait till the time that particular error will prompt. So this is the issue, cause, or a reason for which we have to do the step 2. So here it will ask you to enter any password. You can enter any correct one, any wrong word password, any random password. It won't be going to start. So for that you have to again restart your phone and move to the stock recovery mode and proceed with the next step, or I would say second step. So again we have been booted to the stock recovery mode. So this time what we have to do, we have to do the or I would say select the fourth option from the top, that is wipe data or factory reset. So in this particular case it will reset everything in your internal storage, or I would say delete everything. So that's why I mentioned you that you have to take backup. So just select the, and afterward press on power button and select yes, and again press on power button, and this time it will factory reset your phone, and now you are good to go with the reboot system. But here I will be recommending you to do wipe cache partition. So just do that, and now we are good to go with the reboot system. And this time it will complete all those steps and directly move to the phone setup process, or I would say it will initiate the phone setup process. So let's wait till the time it will move to that section. So finally we have been successfully downgraded to the version 0.59, and even it is showing on our phone screen that successful system update, successfully updated to this particular version, and so on. So just tap on OK and afterward move to start button, and here you can select any of your, I would say, Wi-Fi connection and proceed with the next steps. So after successfully entering the Wi-Fi credential, now it is asking copy apps data. If you want to copy, you can do it using Google Cloud, but for now I'm just skipping it. So the next step is, do you want to set up Google account? As of now, I'm just going to again skip it for the videos perspective so that we can cut down this time and complete as soon as possible. So almost we are on a verge of completing this phone setup process. So it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds more, and afterward we'll be successfully booted to the login screen or home screen. And once it will be completed, I'll also show you that after downgrading successfully, you will be able to view the photo update as well. But before that, let me show you that we have successfully downgraded to the version 0.59. So there is a benefit of doing downgrading to 0.59, that after 0.59 you have a option of moving to 0.60. If you will be downgrading directly to the 0.60, then the possibility of 0.59 is almost dead. So you can see 0.59 as a build number ending with this, security patch level of 5 October 2019, and Android version 9. Now let's move to the system sections to show you that like our photo update is also available. So like I have told you that after moving to the 0.59, you will also be able to view the photo update, so also software update. So most probably it will be from 0.59 to 0.63, which is what here. So this was all from my side related to how to successfully downgrade from the Android 10 beta version 4 with the version number ending 432, although it is applicable to beta 1, 2, 3 as well, to the Android Pie version 0.59, the same applicable for the 0.60 as well. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.